Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Love to Learn. In this tutorial, I want to explain about what is single linked list and representation of single linked list. Single linked list is a linear data structure which contains sequence of node. What is a node here? Node contains data and reference to next node in the single linked list. Okay, and it is an example for simple singly linked list which contains data 1, 2, 3. If you observe, you have a arrow connecting between three nodes. It means for the first node have data 1 and reference to the next node, which is nothing but this node. Like this, the singly linked list will be represented having data and reference of the next node. If you observe, our last node having null value, right? It means the singly linked list will be ended here, and this node can be also known as tail node, and entry point of singly linked list is known as head. So here we have head and tail. Head means in entry point of single linked list, and tail means end point of single linked list. And here in the single linked list we can perform insertion operations, deletion operations, and update operations also. Now I'll try to perform a deletion operation. Now again here I'll try to insert a node here. Okay, now let me update this node. You can observe here, right? I have performed insertion, deletion, and updation operations also. In our upcoming tutorials, we can discuss about operations on single linked list. Up to now, let's start with the representation of single linked list. If you observe here, I have already created a class named single linked list. Now let's complete the representation here. Earlier we have discussed, right? Single linked list is nothing but sequence of nodes. So let's start with creation of class node. Private static class node, and node contains data and reference to the next node. Here let me create two variables, private int data, private node next. Now if you observe here, I took data type of my variable data as int, but here you can consider defining any kind of data because it is generic int type. Okay, now let me try to create a constructor for initialization of node in the linked list. Public node, and let me say this dot data equal to data, and this dot next equal to null. Now we know, right, entry of a linked list, I can simply say entry node of a linked list is nothing but head, and every linked list first should have head. Now let me try to define head here. It is starting point of a single linked list, guys. Okay, now we are done with representation of single linked list. In our next tutorial, let's discuss about creation of linked list. Okay, thank you.